how to do an oil change on a Corvette. Let's get it, dude. Make sure to pop open the hood. Locate your oil cap. Take it off. Now lift the car up. Now it's time. So now I just find the drain plug, which is right here, and then the oil filter's right here. I also have a transmission cooler line I need to fix. Stay tuned for that, but pretty sure it's a 15 millimeter. Let's get it, dude. Sorry, so you have to use a wrench, not a socket, because a wrench is too big, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I already broke it loose, but that's how you would do it. Ooh. Now as you wait for that to drain out, now would break loose the oil filter. Now I'll take the oil filter off. Dang, it's kind of hard to do with the one hand, but I think I can just taking it off with my hand. Yeah. Sorry, I read my gloves, so don't make fun of me. Ooh. 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 Looking hot. Goddamn. Get your new oil filter, lube up the seal, and put it back on. Lube that shit up. Money. Make sure to get that shit smelled on pretty good, you know, so you don't drip oil. And also make sure your drain plug is tight. So we'll just clean up the drain plug with brake fluid, and also clean the oil filter. Sorry, I'm trying to record this shit. Do this shit with one hand. I'll make sure you get that shit good. Clean all that shit. Oh. Make sure it's cleaned. Looking Gucci. Drop the car down. And start putting the oil in. Make sure to put the oil cap back on. Close the hood. Make sure to reset the oil light, and to do that you would hit the trip button, oil life remaining, you just hit the reset button, and now you just did an oil change on a C5 Corvette. Let's get it, dude. Got a little bonus clip, stay tuned. Cheers. Big flexing. In a spaceship. I'm not gonna lie, man. If you get a C8, it's worth it. Cause this shit is fucking nice. Damn. With the red interior, Man, these seats feel comfy. Goddamn, I can't talk. What's going on, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. You know, I was going through the videos, and you know, the video came out pretty good. So let me know what you guys want to see, and until next time, stay blessed.